It's not a lamp and it's not a window. It's a completely new sort of product. Solros is essentially a sunshine distribution system where you put a mirror dish on the roof and use fiber optic cables to lead in sunshine into any dark rooms of your building. If you're underground, for instance, or if you're deep within buildings, you can install a Solros system and you can get the sunlight without the heat. Most people prefer sunlight to artificial light. Sunlight prevents depression. Sunlight makes us feel better. It makes us more productive. And yet, 90% of our day are spent indoors in electric light. This electric light, or as we like to call it, fake light, makes up for 20% of the global electricity consumption. Using real light instead, you save money and lead a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle.
Solros means sunflower in Swedish, and like our system, it follows the sun. I am Jon Norstedt, founder and engineer at Solros AB. I worked with sunlight since 2011, and we wanted to make a system that was affordable, easy to use, and robust. We wanted to make the sunshine available to everyone.
The sunshine is a very natural product, so the experience should be physical without taking too much space. I'm working on designing the Solros system dish and the Solros box. I'm doing it in a very traditional Scandinavian way in order to fit the most environments. We are aiming to sell internationally, so we have to think of many different home interiors. We also want to design a product which is affordable but has great quality in all details and finishes.
The Solros system is really easy to install. All you have to do is mount the system where you have sun, put the cables inside the room where you want the light, and turn it on. And then it will automatically find the sun and you will get sunlight in your room.
Every day, the world is becoming more crowded. Look at the streets of dense cities where the sun is being blocked out by all the surrounding tall buildings. This is where Solros could make a real difference. By bringing real light to where the sun doesn't reach, Solros will make a lot of rooms better suited for both life and work. We have this fantastic source of light already, which is the sun. We just need to harvest it and use it properly.